Ganggang chicken mukbang with Popoy! Try natin kung legit ang real taste, real flavor nila. We visited their Maysilo branch here in Mandaluyong. Dahil favorite namin ang takoyaki, we tried this premium flavor. Legit nga ang real taste, real flavor. Ang sarap, lasang takoyaki talaga, it complements with their chicken. It's Popoy approved. This is their classic chicken burger. Grabe, ang laki ng chicken burger nila. Sulit for its price. Masarap, crunchy, flavorful at bagay yung coleslaw na kasama dito. Talagang mabubusog ka sa laki. This is their loaded fries cheesy bacon. Masarap itong loaded fries cheesy bacon nila. Loaded talaga sa toppings. Magugustuhan ng kids at kids at heart. Try it too! Visit Ganggang Chicken or you can order online.